Hey guys, I was recently asked how to delete empty folders that are left over in Launchpad. For example, say we go over to this social networking folder and we just click and hold on it. It's not going to give us that X in the upper left hand corner to delete it. So how do we get rid of these folders that we no longer want? Well, the solution is very simple. Just click on one of the apps. For example, we'll just click and hold on QuickTime and move it to the social networking folder. And we'll click out of the folder. Now we'll click back into social networking, click QuickTime and drag it out. And now the social networking folder is gone. Let's do that one more time. We've got this browsers folder up here. Let's drag VLC over into browsers. It's not a browser, but let's just drag it in there, for example. And then we'll click back in, drag VLC out, and now the browsers folder is gone. I hope you guys find this helpful. Don't forget to click like and also to subscribe to my channel.